Right, that's going. That's ready to go. Yeah. What I've done is because I didn't realise as well because it's all new to me. I don't really know it. It's all new territory. But you got 64-bit or 32-bit. Got a computer that can do that. So I've got the advantage of having or being able to use 64 or 32. And I've set up two profiles. I've set up a profile last night. This is playing around. I set up a 64-bit system or profile, and I also set up a 32-bit. So I don't know. They're different plugins actually as well. I've got different things on the 32 to the 64. So be interesting. Maybe some other day I'll turn off the 64 once I've get settled and I'm quite happy where it is. I'll turn off the 64-bit and flash over to the 32 and see what the difference is. Okay, mate, I'll let you wrap things up. Thanks for coming in, and good to hear you. And I'm recording this now, actually, because I've not heard my own voice. I'll have a little listen locally to see what they sound. I know it sounds different over Hampshire, but I'm recording it locally, and I'll catch you a piece of your audio, and then I'll whack it on YouTube, and then you can see the little simple plugins that I've got. So I'll say good morning. Thanks for coming into me call. And actually, there is a little bit of flat topping. I don't know if you're seeing it with mine. But I've never really bothered looking other than the last I don't know, maybe week or so. There is a slight bit of flat topping. You're probably getting it with me, I guess. I don't know. But, I mean, it's only very slight. But it is present. And it's not constant. You're more spiking and more flowing than you are flat topping. But it does happen now and again when you go. There's certain words you can see it, but I mean it's minimal. Unlike some people that are constantly square. But I mean we compress things a little bit as well, so that helps. But I mean it's minimal. Most of your signal wave is peaks. But some people's are completely square, like they live in a box. Back round to you, David, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for coming in. KB2OFZ M3ARB, and we'll speak to you soon. Over.
Yeah, okay there. M3ARB, KB2OFZ. Yeah, okay, I just kind of also made sure kind of backed it down a little bit. There's like you said, the same here too. There's a little bit of flat topping only on the energy, which is normal. I mean, it's like certain words and certain things you say, you put a little bit more energy into it, and of course, it's going to kind of be flat topping. But as I'm speaking to you and I'm looking at the O scope, I don't see it on my end though. I'll like right there. I just saw the amplitude kind of go up, but I didn't see it really kind of flat topping. And right about there, you may have saw one there. But anyway, all right. Next time. The next time I try to make a transmission with you, because I know I got to do a show tomorrow, and I got to change out this microphone. And that person I'll be working with, they like a ribbon mic. And I finally kind of got a ribbon mic here. So I'll probably have it on the system. Well, first time ever owning a ribbon mic. And a tube mic is one of the next ones I'm trying to look at. And, of course, like I said, the mouse here. So that's my arsenal. If I can get that, I'm done. I'm out the game. All right, there, Andy. Take care. Have yourself a fantastic one. And we'll chat with you a little bit later. M3ARB from KB to OFZ will be clear. Take care, my man. Catch you later. Bye-bye.
But that's purely because I was on point 0.5. So, for instance, on here, I would be on 07.040.500, and that made a difference as well. I had somebody 200, not 200, 20 hertz above me, 20 kilohertz above me, and I went on point 0.5 and I totally lost their signal. Yeah, I know there's been all sorts of talk about it, but I was running some tests like I do and playing around. And I went to an odd frequency, 0.500, and I lost them. There was no harmonics, there was no noise from them at all. So that's another thing what people do. Everyone sticks to zeros and fives, and well, we've spoke about that anyway. So I went to 0.500 and it cleared it up. Not a problem at all. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Speak to you soon. I'm going to make a coffee and then come back and see what else is going on. Cheers and beers. KB2 OFZ M3 ARB off and clear. And I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, mate. On and make a quick brew because I've been up for an hour now and I've only had one drink. So give us 2 or 3 minutes, Steve, and I'll be back. I don't know if you want to float around or whatever, but give us a few minutes and I'll be back. 9HS 101 M3ARB, over.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I just think it's possible if later we could try 80 meters, maybe here the station in Maryland you're talking to. I think I know that station. You might be Dave there, Silver Springs, Maryland. Only if you want, we can maybe try that. But I know you're going for a coffee now, so I can wait here, and if Dave's willing to try it. So it would be nice if we all could try to do that 80 meter contact. But I don't know. I think it might be still night where you're at. I don't know, it's 7:10. Not sure if it's daylight yet, but I do realize I'm keeping you from your coffee, so I can stand by here.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll tell you what, Steve. Go drop down there now quickly, because the conditions, if they're still there, it's going to be borderline now. It's going to be borderline. So if you drop down to 8, stay on this frequency. We'll drop down to 80 and give it a go. If we don't hear each other, then I'll meet you back up on here in a couple of minutes. But we're running out of time, Steve. We're in daylight here now, and daylight is not the best situation. It's only just daylight, but it is daylight, Steve, so I won't be holding my breath. So yeah, drop down onto 80 right now, and we'll give it a go on this frequency. Over.
Yeah, no problem. Maybe hopefully Dave maybe can follow us too. I'll hear him really strong. Well, we'll try. Yeah, I'm gonna have a Yagi beam. I'll point it to your way.
Yeah, okay, see you there.
QSYAV.
Right, okay. Well, I have got a monitor actually where we may just have made it. We may just have made it because uh, we're into daylight now and the band will be changing. Any copy, Steve? 9HS 101 from M3 ARB, over.
Yeah, I can hear you, Andy. I can hear you. Can you hear me? I can hear you there, Andy. Point it out there, Andy. I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. The noise level is creeping up. You're 5 and 4 to me. 5 and 4 at the moment, so we could just about do it on 80. We're into daylight now, Steve, so the band's just going to get worse. 40's not too bad, but 80's it's going to deteriorate quite quick. But anyway, we've made it on 80. We at least have made it on 80, Steve, over.
Yeah, I guess we could say we could do it. I don't know if you're what the we have on the trip here on the, you're able to get to it a little bit late. I don't know if Dave follows Silver Spring Marriott, and I don't know if he follows here. I'm going to spot you and send you a card so at least we can say I worked you on this thing too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, 5 and 5 last time round. So, but I've got an S3 of noise level, so the noise is creeping up. It probably won't get much more than that, but I'm guessing your signal will drop. We've not got much left on this band, but you was 5 and 5 last time round, so it's a definite. It's not a problem. I can hear you in there. It's not nowhere near as good as 40, but even so, it is in there. Conditions are just about in there. So yeah, I'm using the 8 element. I got the 8 element for 80 because I want to experiment with 80 eventually. But yeah, I've definitely got you in there, and I've made a recording actually. I'm recording our conversation, Steve, so I've got video proof as well. I've just been playing around, testing things and messing around, so, 5 and 5 last time round, 9HS 101 M3 ARB, over.
Yes, USL there, Andy. Yeah, I hear you pretty weak. Yeah, I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to not too bad. I just logged on now. I know about an hour ago when we might have had better conditions. I was wondering if the fellow from Silver Spring married him if he followed us here. Just give him a call. Just 1 second. The thing is Silver Spring. Did you come down here? Yeah, I guess he didn't come down here. I guess he didn't follow us, Andy. Okay, roger there, Andy. I got that. You're going to go up to 15 meters into the station in Uganda. Yeah, I see the spot on that, Andy. Yeah, no problem. I don't have that conditions there. I like seeing it here in 15 meters here, but probably there won't be much propagation my way. It's nice. Okay, Andy, we'll catch you on 40 meters later there. Good DX. Good luck getting into Uganda. Later for you, you can get there, no problem. Anyway, take care there, Andy. 9 Hotel Sierra 101 Toronto, standing